Okay, Caveman usually review gadgets that solve problems. These solar mandala lights solve a different problem. Your backyard look boring. And honestly, that's a real problem. These are decorative solar-powered wall lights designed to project colorful mandala patterns onto fences, walls, posts, and patios once the sun goes down. Simple idea. No complicated setup. No apps. No passwords. No account creation. Human finally remember not every product needs software update. Caveman respect that. During the day, they charge using sunlight. At night, they automatically light up and project these colorful patterns that make a plain fence look way more interesting than it has any right to. The biggest surprise is the projection effect. A lot of decorative solar lights look amazing in product photos and disappointing in real life. These actually create visible patterns that add character to a yard without looking tacky. It's one of those small upgrades guests immediately notice. The color-changing effect keeps things visually interesting too. Instead of one static light, the patterns slowly shift through different colors, creating a much more premium look than you'd expect from simple solar decor. Installation is about as caveman-friendly as it gets. Mount them, let the sun do its thing, and forget about them. No wiring, no electrician, no digging trenches through your backyard like you're preparing for battle. Now for the honest part. These are decorative lights, not floodlights. If you're expecting them to illuminate your entire yard, wrong product. And like most solar lights, performance depends heavily on how much sunlight they receive during the day. But if your goal is adding atmosphere, curb appeal, or a little personality to an outdoor space, these do a surprisingly good job. Sometimes the best Amazon finds aren't the products that do more. They're the products that make everyday spaces feel better. Honestly, these are kind of charming. Caveman left the Amazon link in the description if Tribe wants to upgrade boring fence. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Human decorate cave. Caveman judge results.